Welcome to LifeHackIT. Today we're going to focus particularly on nail polish, but don't worry, it's not all girly stuff. We're gonna do some repair things, yes, there will be some cracks, and even rust. All kinds of things you will not think to use nail polish for. And so we did the hack about the envelope using nail polish. Now, that's actually a fun hack, but you have to wait a couple of minutes for the nail polish to dry in order to be able to hold the sides. Now, the thing about it and why it's actually pretty cool is if for some reason you want to have extra security so nobody can open the envelope with steam, this hack will be for you. Remember, if you want your nail polish to last longer, keep it in the refrigerator. Another trick is to not shake it, just kind of roll it like this so you do not create bubbles. you got a little bit of rust and you do not want it to grow and multiply, use a little bit of clear nail polish to stop it from going wild. Got bitten by pesky mosquitoes. Apply clear nail polish. It will stop the itching. Now, if you want to get creative and have some fun, use some color. See what happens. Thank you for watching this episode on LifeHackIT about nail polish. I tell you, there's so many things I wish I had known a while ago, especially when I had to do a party and the girl who was supposed to bring the candle bowl tips and stuff, she didn't. So it would have made my life so easier if I had known how to decorate them really fast.